Welcome back all of you. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this percentage problem. And the problem is square root of 25% minus 5%. We have to find the correct answer from these four options. A 25%, B 45%, C 20% or D 0%. Before moving to the solution, you are requested to like the video and subscribe the channel. Square root of 25%. First of all, we will change this percentage number into decimal number. For that, we will divide this 25 by 100. Minus 5% as it is. In the next step, we are going to write the numerator and denominator separately in square roots. As these are the perfect square, so square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 100 is 10 minus 5%. Here we have this number is in fraction and this number is in percentage. We have to find answer in percentage. So we are going to change this fractional number into percentage. For that we will multiply it by 100. 10 one time is 10, 10 10 time is 100. 5 times 10 is 50. 50% minus 5%. Now it is easy to solve. 50% minus 5% is 45%. Means option B is the correct option. I hope it was an easy solution and you are clear about all the steps. If you have any query, write in the comment box. Thanks for watching.